In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to integrate Asana with HubSpot. If you want to keep your sales activity, customer updates, and project management connected in one smooth workflow, this tutorial will walk you through the setup process from start to finish. By the end of this guide, you'll have Asana and HubSpot working together so your team can stay organized without constantly copying information between platforms. To begin, open your Asana workspace and make sure you're signed in to the correct account. Before moving forward, confirm that you have permission to install apps or integrations inside the project where you want HubSpot connected. It's also a good idea to stay logged into your HubSpot account in the same browser to make the connection process quicker and more seamless. Once you're inside Asana, head over to the left sidebar and select the workspace that contains the project you want to connect with HubSpot. If you manage multiple workspaces or teams, double-check that you're in the correct one so your synced tasks appear in the right location. Next, open the project where the integration will be added. In the upper right corner of the project view, click the Customize button. A settings panel will appear on the side of your screen. Scroll through the available options until you locate the Apps section. This area is where Asana manages all third-party integrations and connected tools. Inside the Apps section, search for HubSpot and select the option to add it to your project. If it doesn't appear immediately, use the search bar to locate it faster. After selecting HubSpot, a separate authorization window will open. Sign into your HubSpot account if prompted, and make sure you choose the correct HubSpot portal if you manage more than one account. Complete any verification steps, including two-factor authentication if required, and approve the requested permissions. These permissions allow HubSpot and Asana to communicate properly, so tasks, updates, and related activity can sync between both platforms. After the accounts are connected, you'll be asked to configure your sync settings. This is where you decide what actions should trigger updates inside Asana. For example, you can create tasks automatically whenever a HubSpot deal changes stage or when a contact is updated. You can also map important fields like owner, deal stage, or priority so your team has useful context directly inside Asana. Once everything looks correct, save the integration settings and return to your project. You should now see HubSpot listed under the Apps section, confirming that the connection is active. To test it, make a small update inside HubSpot and check whether the corresponding task or update appears in Asana. If you found this video helpful, let me know in the comments. Give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and don't forget to hit the notification bell.